Welcome to REIT Magazine's Weekly Report. I'm Matt Bichard.
And I'm Alan Kenny. In our first story this week, legislation was introduced in the Senate last week that proposed significant changes to FIRPTA, the Foreign Investment in Real Property Tax Act. Notably, the bill includes a measure that would increase the portfolio investor exception for sales of stock and capital gains dividends of listed REITs. The bill was introduced by Senators Bob Menendez of New Jersey and Mike Enzi of Wyoming.
Cole Real Estate Investments began trading on the New York Stock Exchange last week. Formerly known as Cole Credit Property Trust 3, the firm's new ticker symbol is COLE. The Phoenix-based company has gross assets of $7.7 billion. Its portfolio includes more than 1,000 properties across the United States.
REIT.com spoke with more than 70 REIT executives, analysts, and investors earlier this month in Chicago at REIT Week 2013, NAREIT's Investor Forum. In one interview, HCP Chairman and CEO Jay Flaherty discussed the implementation of the Affordable Care Act.
The other thing that's happened with medical office is, there's the Affordable Care Act has become the law of the land and is expected to go into complete implementation in 2014. That as well will drive some additional usage of medical office buildings, particularly with an eye towards reducing costs that the government has to pay in an acute care hospital setting.
Be sure to visit REIT.com for more video interviews from REIT Week 2013.
And that concludes this week's edition of Weekly Report. We'll be back in 2 weeks.
In the meantime, visit REIT.com and RealEstateInvestmentToday.com for all the latest commercial real estate news and analysis.